Section 23, Songs of Love and Life by Zora Cross. This LibriVox recording is in the public domain. Read by Caveat. Sonnet 23. Were I a bird upon the greenest tree, carolling cadences of love for you, I'd trill such songs along the golden dew, that Pan, soft piping on a reed of glee, in cool crest coverts by the lilting sea, would leave his pastures to a satyr crew, and, running barefoot all the forest through, marry his longings to the minstrelsy. O love, lean down, no bird sang on like this, through lips untutored to a pipe or lyre. Our passions breathe their own wild harmony, and pour out music at a clinging kiss. Sing on, O soul, our lyric of desire, for God himself is in the melody. End of section 23.